Alright, ladies and gentlemen, from what I can see, we are on track number 5 of both sides. Uh, we are our sons of our fathers. Excuse me, let me put it to that video right now. Alright. I have a bit of a bone to pick with this song. Just a little bit. It's just what's with the piano, or not the piano, the banjo intro in the beginning of the song. That that just throws it off to me. I mean, I'm pretty sure another YouTuber. I don't know him personally, but I love his channel. Check him out. He's called Everything Phil Collins, and he loves Phil Collins to death. And I wouldn't be surprised if there was a Phil Collins contest, he'd win. But he even agreed with me that the banjo intro in this song, "We're Sons of Our Fathers," is just so off-putting and strange. I love the message of the song. My favorite lyric is, "We're all sons of our fathers. Sometimes I feel like mine. I can hear him say the things I say. Seems all things come around in time." Which I totally agree with Phil on that one. A lot of the isms, a lot of the things my father says, even today, I've picked up. So I agree with him. And I like the song, but the banjo intro just kind of throws me off. But anyway, with all this said, all rights belong to Phil Collins and all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. Um, Here is "We're All Sons of Our Fathers" by Phil Collins. We're sons of our fathers, excuse me. When I grew up to be a man, like my father was when I was young, I hope I can make him so proud of me, proud enough to call me his son. Ooh, yeah. What makes these people so different now? What makes these times so strange? Seems most people got most everything they need. How come we see this change? Our sons and daughters seem to be beyond our control. The smile is fading fast and they're losing their soul. Now when will we ever learn? I'm a believer. I was a boy, if we had more respect, this world seemed a nicer place to be. When time slowly passes, one day you look around, hardly recognize what you see. Sons and daughters seem to be beyond our control. Their smile is fading fast, they're losing their soul. When will we ever learn? Yeah, I'm a believer. Beyond your control. Ladies and gentlemen, that line I mentioned is about to come up. Here we go. We're all sons of our fathers. Sometimes I feel like mine. I can hear him say things I say. Seems all things come around in time. Whoa, whoa. I love that line. It has such meaning. It hits you. Whether your father's here or not, he's still with you. All these things happen, we'll never know. 'Cause that was then, this is now. You always knew that change was gonna come, but I wanna go back. Please tell me how. My woman's daughters seem to be beyond our control. Their smile is fading fast and they're losing their soul. Now when will we ever learn? Yeah, I'm a believer. Oh, and beyond your control. Oh, beyond your control. All right, that was "We're Sons of Our Fathers" by Phil Collins. I kind of stumbled there, it's okay because I mean I told you sometimes I get a little tongue tied trying to keep up with the lyrics and trying to say it correctly so y'all can hear me. Fun fact about this song: at the very, 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 very end, you can barely hear it, but it sounds like Phil is saying, "You never listen to me." Like his kid is trying to mess with him while he's recording the song, and he's like, "Oh my god, you never listen to me." But it's funny, it's cute. I mean, we don't know what Phil was doing in 83, 84. Well, if you read his book, Not Dead Yet, you might could figure it out what he was doing in 94. Did I say 84? I meant to say 94 because this album was released in 90, I think late 93. I don't remember exactly, but I remember it was released in 93. Uh, so it was, I don't know I don't remember exactly from the book, so I'm not going to quote it. If you want to find out, go to Everything Phil Collins' channel, and maybe he can fill you in. His name is Scott. He really does well on his channel. I support it completely. From one Phil Collins fan to another, thank you, Scott. Everything Phil Collins for all that you do and helping me do what I do. So, with all that said, there's the song. I own nothing. Everything belongs to Phil and their respective owners. I hope you guys enjoyed it.